Good morning. I'm out here before the sun rises to try and get my siding done before my fencing guys come. Anyway, I've got two devices with me today. I've got the floor mop off the mop handle, and I have the combi onto the mop handle. I also have the twister on it just to give it kind of an angle so I don't have to do it go straight up and down. So the reason I have this one, I can get that out of the mud, is you can manipulate this wherever you want on the low angles. And you can get it right in there. Find the mop sometimes flops around on you, so I decided to take it off for the low angles, and it is really dirty because that's behind the trellis and that was there for 20 years. So I won't bore you with the whole process because it could take me a while, but I will show you the combi, and this is so cool. Oh, and my twister is flopping. There. And just keep spraying it off. As you loosen it. I don't know what to do with that little snail up here. You're gonna have to move him. There we go. So I'm going to continue this, and you can have your breakfast. Talk later.